a video.
Yeah, I did a video too.
Landing flaps.
It's weird on landing, I gotta admit that. This has been my nemesis for landing.
Do you use the takeoff flaps to land or landing flaps?
Landing flaps the whole time. Takeoff and landing.
Let's just not talk about
Because I can't land this thing with landing flaps.
You might have too much.
Maybe.
If you put less.
I want a high alpha,
yeah.
which I don't like.
You gotta lower.
I just use the takeoff flaps, and I use landing flaps to take off.
My landing flaps are pretty much what most people's takeoff are.
Okay.
So, it doesn't like too much.
Yeah, I agree.
You'd have to put a lot of compensation in there too. Yeah. So is he coming down or still flying? There we go.
I want to see it fly first.
Yeah, my guests are out flying me. I can't have that. I gotta fly more. Oh, Greg. One after another after another.
I don't know how he charges so fast.
He's charging for the next day.
You bring a whole stack of them, don't you?
10 big planes and 5.
Yeah, he's landing right now. Yeah, he always gives me a hard time, so let's just let him land first.
At least it's a four stroke, it's not forward.
That's the old timber, right?
No, that's the Timber X.
Oh,
okay. He put his own stickers on it or what?
I don't know. Taxing out!
Taxing out.
Yeah, let me stay ahead because I can't stop this thing.
Yeah, you can't stop, so we'll let you.
Cannot stop, will not stop.
Here, Greg, you go in front of me. I'll go behind you guys.
Yep, look at it, Greg. Mine won't. We'll go that way. There you go. Everybody cut in front. Go ahead.
Alright, I'll go right here. I'll just go center line.
Yeah, Greg, you can go ahead of me. It's all good.
I might just buy it right now. I might just order it right now.
What's your name? I'm sorry.
Nate.
Cool. Nate, Greg.
Nice to meet you.
I thought I'd introduced you guys. I'm
maybe
sorry.
long. I've seen him before.
Yeah, he used to come to Bayside.
Good. The other
one, yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Go, Nate.
Alright, taking off.
Then I'll go last.
Take it off left to right.
Gear up, flaps up.
Good speed.
Yeah, it takes a little to get up to speed,
I just kind of coasted ahead of you
but
guys.
when it does, it really moves.
Low pass, left to right.
Let me get up and over the sun. It's not as yeah. The 90 accelerates faster than this does, but this still does pretty good. We've got a Texan formation coming over, AT6.
Alright, I'll come find you guys.
Gonna fly right over us. Okay, fast little pass from the left.
Yeah, those sound like That's just two.
Yeah, I heard him.
Oh, that's the yellow one. That's
Yeah.
the Whiskey Delta one. I've seen that one in Hollister.
Hey,
Ernie,
Nate.
my mechanic at Hollister, Ernie, just did that.
Oh, really? I'm gonna come to you guys. I'm coming to you guys.
I gotta go slow in both.
What do you think? Oh man, we're gonna talk about what the actors have to go through.
Whoa!
Yeah, they do. You can see them. Some of them are like, falling asleep because there's too much.
Fast, low pass from the left.
Let me catch up to Nate.
Have good luck.
What do you mean good luck? I'm right there.
Pulling up.
Okay, I'm coming behind you.
I'm a little jealous that famous people get to ride for
Time remaining 1 minute.
I love the way those 9-cylinders sound. Hey, they're coming over us again.
Pulling up in the center, Ray.
Go ahead. There they go again. Nice, tight formation. They got a tight formation going. Fast low pass from the left. I'm blasting right now.
Fast low pass behind him from the left.
I'm pulling up, Nate.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1.
Oh yeah?
Time expired.
One red and one blue.
All right, Nate, I'm doing another pass. You coming? You coming?
Setting it up for that high speed.
I'm gonna do a slow low pass behind Ken landing from the left.
Is Kendall's flying?
Yeah, Ken. Oh, the strut came off. That sucks. High alpha pass from the left. Somewhat high alpha. Oh, they're gone.
Okay.
Anyone landing soon?
We just got to get this guy off the runway, then you can come. What size pack you fly, Greg?
45.
Yeah, you'll be good.
1 minute over.
I'll come in after you.
Landing left to right.
I'll come in with you, Greg. I'll go far this guy. You can stay close to us. Or I'll probably be in before you. I can come in super slow. Oh, you're right there. I thought that was.
Oh, I'm over here. That's me over here.
Oh.
Hit the brakes.
There's extra runoff out there if you have to. Good man. All right, you guys, where are you?
We're all the way at the end.
Okay. You go ahead and come in because I got to do a gear pass then land.
Okay.
We're far off to the right.
Okay, come on in. Come in. I got time.
Landing flaps. 2 minutes over.
I've been cruising around low throttle, so.
Yeah, I probably could have gone another 2 minutes. Just set up in this thing.
All right, coming in, landing.
Okay, that's good enough. There's 4 of us. There you go. Anybody else have their assassin?
Oh, you got it down now, Ray. Nice.
Finally, yeah.
It's still gonna roll though.
It's gonna roll like crazy. That's why I said go ahead and come in.
I love how
Flaps up.
the main gear hangs down a little low, and then once it lands, it
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't do much suspension, but they are very cool.
It's taken me a while to get used to it because I'm used to coming in and greasing it. This one has to
Yeah,
pretty much smack down.
Wow.
Otherwise, it starts doing this weird roll.
Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that makes sense.
They put ball bearings in the wheels, so it's like.
Yeah, so see, I'm not no throttle right now, and I'll be able to coast like to right here. Well, maybe not, but still, you get the idea. Good fight, guys. That was fun. Very cool. All right. No win.
That was an awesome landing.
Thank you.